Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I write my notes, organize my notes on the Goodnotes app. And if we go to the first page, as you can see, the app makes writing quite tidy, and especially if you use the zoom in thingy. So for example, like, let's make it small. If I write something and I still have space to write here, then I can just go here, and then it will like immediately join those together. I thought, okay, this is useless, I'm never going to use it, it's much easier to just write it here. But if you can see, your writing becomes much bigger, so that you can't write as much on one page. And I don't know, something about that zoom thingy makes your writing much tidier, so yeah, I like to use that. Yeah, and for like these lines or the underlines on my titles, you have a shape button, I think. I don't know what it's called, but so even it's not a straight line, it will make into a straight line. So you can underline your titles neatly. Right. One thing I must say though is that, of course, this is not a real pen and paper. I know it comes very close to the real thing, but it's not. So there's a limit to how precise you can be. For example, like, do you see like the hooks here? Okay, this is not a huge problem, but I just wanted to show you like how they curve at the end here. And it's not a big problem, but I just wanted to say it's not as precise as writing on a real paper with a real pen, but it's pretty close. And these notes are for the metabolism of macronutrients, so something like biochemistry. And we have a lot of cycles, and it's usually like very complicated, and I like to make it a bit less complicated without all the structures. And I like to draw it in my notes. And it's so easy to draw like the circle here because you have the shape button. Like, even if you draw a really ugly circle, it will make it into a perfect one. And then you can erase like parts of it to add your substrates and intermediates, and then add your enzymes. And I usually like to highlight these enzymes because it makes them like easier to see. And yeah, here I've highlighted all the enzymes. But yeah, okay, so this is how I organize my notes after I've written down like everything I need to write down during the lectures on a presentation slides, which I also do it on the Goodnotes app or sometimes on paper. But